Hey guys, it's me Poonam Yadav. Welcome to my channel. Today we will study some important question of class 10 from all over the book of civics. It's our part second, so let's start guys. So in this our first question is describe the function and power of the parliament. Our answer is function and power of parliament. So first is it controls and check the council of ministers. Second, Prime Minister controls and check the Council of Ministers. Third, it has power to amend the Constitution. Fourth, it can remove the President from office. Fifth, it contains cabinet minister, ruling minister, and opposite minister too. Our second question is what does voter turnout during an election in India signify? Voter turnout relates to following points. First, people participate in election is usually measured by the voter turnout figure. Turnout indicate the percent of eligible voter who actually cast their vote. Our second point is in India, the poor, illiterate, and the underprivileged people vote in larger proportion as compared to rich and privileged sections. Our third point is common people in India attach a lot of importance to election. They feel that through election they can bring pressure on the political parties to adopt policies and programs favorable for them. Our fourth point is the interest of voters in election related activities has been increasing over the years. Our another question is how can we check the quality of election process? And our answer is the quality of an election process can be checked in three ways. First, we conduct the election. Indian elections are conducted by an independent election commission which has the power to even change the decision of the government during election and administration too for their lapse. Our second point is popular participation. If the election process is not free and fair, people do not participate in the electoral process. So the turnout of the election is also a way to check the quality of election process. Our third point is acceptance of the outcomes. If the election is not free and fair, the outcomes always favor the powerful and the losing party doesn't accept the outcome. So the assess to assess the quality of election process, one can check the response of the losing party. Our another question is what do you know about voter ID card? Our answer is voter ID card is also called election photo identity card EPIC. Second, government makes efforts to give this card to every person on the voters list. Third, the voters are required to carry this card when they go out to cast their vote so that no one can vote for someone else. Our another question is how is companion done for election held in India? And our answer is companion has following steps. First, in India, election companion takes place for a 2 week period between the announcement of the final list of candidate and date of polling. Second, during this period, the candidates contact their voters. Third, political leader addresses election meeting and political parties mobilize their supports. Fourth, this is also when newspapers and the television news broadcasting channel are full of election related stories and debate. Fifth, they want the public to vote for the party on their basis. Our another question is what is impeachment motion? First, a judge can be removed only by an impeachment motion passed separately by two-thirds member of the two houses of the parliament. Second, similarly with impeachment, even President of India can be removed. It is passed by both the houses of parliament by two-thirds members of majority.